At the zoo, out of nowhere, freaking out on the lions, yelling at them, screaming all over the fucking place. I don't know, I didn't know what to say, so I was just like, be careful of those lions, they're dangerous, and, he didn't listen to me, and, he started getting, a little rough, and, I really didn't know what to say, so, the zookeeper, came out of right field, tried to hold down the lion, and then a tiger came out of nowhere, and all of a sudden, before you know it was a full-blown Royal Rumble with animals coming out of left field, and I don't know, it was the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. That's I don't even know what to say. The craziest thing, an animal Royal Rumble at the zoo.
You ever taken a chemistry class before? I took one not too long ago. I didn't have much of a liking for it. Not one bit. I couldn't wrap my head around the fact that we're studying things, possessions, smaller than we could ever see. And if we can't see it, how are you going to try to make me believe it? Because if seeing is believing, how can you make me believe in chemistry? It's all warped thinking from the higher ups. They think they have reason to provoke such explanation in the thoughts of the youngins, the youth of the world. But who are they to tell us what really means if we believe? You see, that's just human nature, though, to try to explain the stuff that we can't see. But the problem with believing is, at some point, there is no more facts or knowledge or any kind of factual evidence. At some point, you just have to hope and believe in that belief. See, as humans, we desire, we crave the explanation, because nothing can be unexplained. We look for that sense of sobriety, the feeling of total control. But we'll never get it. How can we get something as abstract as total control? It's a funny thing, isn't it? Not just chemistry, but all science. A bunch of people in a room trying to do God's work, explain how we came to be. What's next for us in this grand journey that we're living called life? Well, I'll tell you. Life will go as far as we take it.